Hello, first grade, and welcome to a new week of homework. Our passage is dear, and we are focusing on the ed ending this week. Ed can say ed, t, and d. For example, the word named has the d sound. Spotted has the ed sound. And fixed has the t sound. We also have some tricky words in this passage. Some new pictures are the word this, like this way. We have the word her, her majesty, her. We talk about when we're speaking about women or girls, we say her. And the word for sale. The house is for sale. For. Okay. So let's get started. Oh, and I have a special guest to read us this passage. This is Baby Yoda, and he is the secret word. If you tell me the word Baby Yoda anytime this week, I will make sure I give you a special prize. That means that you've been watching the video and that I don't make these videos for nothing. It's because you watch them. So please whisper to me, Baby Yoda. Don't tell anyone else this secret password because they have to watch this video to find out that that is the secret password. Okay, so let's get ready. Baby Yoda, are you ready? Yes. All right, here we go. Go ahead, Baby Yoda. This deer is named Hope. I spotted her by my home one morning after a storm. A tree fell on her and broke her leg. She could not stand up. I drove her here and the vet fixed up her leg. We named her Hope and spotted a place for her in the zoo. Today, her leg is fine and she is as strong as ever. Okay. We have some spelling words that Baby Yoda will read for you. Actually, I'll read them to you using Baby Yoda. The first word is sounded. Baby Yoda, you sounded sick. Lifted. I lifted Baby Yoda. Lifted. And pointed. I pointed at Baby Yoda. Those have the ed sound. Pointed, lifted, sounded. Then we have the word parked. Parked. This has the T sound. Parked. Baby Yoda parked his car in front of the school. Parked. Or he parked his spaceship. Okay. The word tripped. Baby Yoda tripped over his robe. Tripped. Those have the T sound. Tripped. Parked. And then we have the word grinned. I grinned at Baby Yoda because he makes me happy. Grinned. And the word waved. I waved at Baby Yoda. He waved back. Waved. And our tricky word is have. Whew, I have a headache from making so many videos, because this is not the first time I've recorded this. I have a headache. All right, first grade. We wish you well with your homework. Please practice this every night. And remember, don't forget to tell me, Baby Yoda. All right, have a good day. Bye-bye.